Ferrari has just done something unbelievable. They patented a V12 engine like nothing we've ever seen before. Instead of traditional round pistons, Ferrari is introducing oval-shaped, pill-like pistons, a game-changer in internal combustion engine design. Why more power, less space? Ferrari's signature? High revving performance. And guess what? That extra space. It's making room for hybrid technology. But that's not all. This patent reveals another groundbreaking innovation: opposing pistons, sharing a single connecting rod through a flexible joint system. This means Ferrari can pack even more power into a smaller, more efficient engine. And the best part? This technology could soon appear in Ferrari's next generation.